Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use OpenVPN on your Windows PC. First, open your browser, search for OpenVPN on Google and visit the official website. Then go to the resources, click on download OpenVPN and start downloading the installer. Once the download is complete, open the setup file and install OpenVPN. After the installation is finished, the application will open automatically. Now you can paste your VPN server link or import your OpenVPN configuration file. I will open my browser and visit the VPN Gate website to download the pre-public OpenVPN configuration file. You can find different pre-public config files there. Next, click on the upload file option, select the downloaded configuration file and click import. After that, click connect to start the VPN connection. Wait a few seconds and your VPN will be connected. Now you can check your IP address to confirm that it has changed. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.